Last night we had a biggest snowstorm for New York City in the last 4 years. Tri-state area got up to 10 inches, almost like a foot. Yes, it's a 16th December, Wednesday, 2020. I just captured some videos from morning, so just need to show you that was the situation surrounding us. Office was closed, school was closed. Sanitation department, they came with the big truck with the snow plow. You can see from people they're using for their snow blower, and they cut the ice to remove from in front of their home, the parking area. Sometimes you don't get so wonder if you throw hot water on the sky and it turn ice. Even if you put in a bucket outside the home, you can see the whole water get totally ice.
Hey, hi. How does it work? How does it work?
You have like a plate?
Yeah.
And then another plate to shoot it up in the air.
Oh, it's easy, right? Thank you. The house, you see, there's a beautiful house. They're making for the decoration, but the snow time it gets kind of like,
Should to be very careful when you're driving on the snow time, because people get danger. So I don't want to say any negative word, but honestly you should just try to be safe driving, because it's kind of hard. As long as you don't need to go outside, just be home, stay safe.
now it's better.
Here are some guys you can see carry with the shovel. Some people hire them as a remove their ice. No matter what the size they can do for you, but it goes by the contract. So as I see, if the people usually using for snow salt, shovel, snow blower, snow plow, etc. একটা অপশনই আমি ভিডিওতে দেখানোর চেষ্টা করেছি. I came this mini park here just to show you that whole ice. People bring their dog walking. Oh God. To get energy, I'm having my chocolates. Also fun with snow. Make a firehouse on the island. People make a lot of other stuff like snowman or another statue. House here surrounding almost 2 hours
hours I'm here, so it's kind of getting cold.
বেসিক্যালি আমি যদি বলতে চাই যে জলবায়ুর দুটো শর্ত যদি পূর্ণ না হয় তাহলে সেই জায়গাতে স্নো পড়ে না। এর মধ্যে একটা হচ্ছে টেম্পারেচার তাপমাত্রা, আরেকটা হচ্ছে হিউমিডিটি আর্দ্রতা। হ্যাভিং স্নো you need to be two condition for temperature and humidity. In Bangladesh, if you see that doesn't goes the temperature for 0 degrees Celsius. That's the reason they doesn't have any snow over there. Even though in America and Florida doesn't have snow either.
Guy, here. You like chocolate? You like chocolate? Beautiful dog. This is funny.
If you understand Fahrenheit or Celsius, I've recorded both of way. You can see -3 degrees Celsius, it shows like that near.
Beautiful.
But specifically which area, it mentioned like feels like -8, which is 27 it shows Fahrenheit, and temperature Fahrenheit as 18 degree Fahrenheit is actual feelings. Make sure
So
for
the
walking
sky-
snow boot, snow jacket to wear. That's can protect you as well.
To the car. This is deeper. There's the iceberg. You see that ice? This is very strong. You can see. You can break the glass. If you throw that in front of the glass, you can break the glass.
After snow over, it gets dirty and it's hard to drive. But to be honest with you, it looks really nice when snow going on, and very happy fun for ski time or ice skating time. It's a lot of fun.
This is cool. It's beautiful.
In general, like we can see, if you call like
cool.
ice water, the temperature it should be like 0 degrees Celsius. If it goes like 22 degrees Celsius, it goes like room temperature. And then if you go for like 55 degrees Celsius, it calls as a consider as a hot water.
It's beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate for all of you. If you have any questions, I try to answer for that. And please like and subscribe my channel. So stay home, warm and healthy. I'll see you the next one. And peace.